Faber Piano Adventures, Level 2B, pages 22 and 23. The song is called Jumpin Jazz Cat. In this song, we'll be integrating our C scales in both hands, some form of the scale. We're also learning what's called DC al fine. At the end of Jumpin Jazz Cat, in the last bar, you see DC al fine. What that means is, go back to the beginning of the song and start to repeat. Play until you see the word fine, and that is the actual ending of the piece. DC is an abbreviation for the words da capo, meaning the beginning, and fine means the end. Now that we understand that, I'm going to demonstrate the piece and then we'll talk about the details. So, middle C, we're going to be starting on treble C with our fifth finger, so this is your position. We're starting off by playing a scale going downward, so be ready for that. Your left hand will be starting with your third finger on A, 2 notes below middle C. Okay, C, B, A, G, F. I'm going to play it slowly the first time. Watch for the ties, the staccatos, and the hand movements. Here we go, nice and slow, Jumpin Jazz Cat. Now at the end of this part it says prepare your left hand. We're going to move down to G position and play a G scale. Watch. And then we were in C position at the end of it and we played a C 5 finger. And now we're ready to play both hands together. Second to the last bar of the song. Watch. Back to G. Let's listen to the song in real time, and I'll bring it to a close. Fine, that is the ending. Alright, let's talk about a few of the details. On the piece, it says to jump, because at the end of the first page, you have to move from a C chord back to that C, the treble C, and start your scale again. So watch as I do that. Jump. And I start right into the scale. Don't get stuck there and go, now it's too late. Your hand hasn't moved. You won't be able to play the scale and keep the tempo. So make sure you jump there. Another important part of this piece is on the second page at the end of the second bar. When we get there it says prepare LH, your left hand. I'm going to play that. Watch my left hand when I move down to G over here. I move immediately to G. Don't stay there and wait for the quarter rest to end and then move. Move immediately to G so you can play the scale right after the quarter rest is done. Okay? Now let's talk about the third bar on page 23. That G scale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and then your fifth finger plays 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your right hand is already in C position, so you're going to be playing E and D sharp, and then your left hand is playing G and F sharp. Staccato, staccato, D, sixth, we're used to those, back to G. Play that scale again, now a C scale. Now D, F sharp, D, G, back to the beginning, play to fine. I hope this helps. Remember, always be ready for the times you have to jump in the piece. Don't let it catch you off guard. Be looking ahead and be prepared. This concludes Jumpin Jazz Cat.